Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll learn how to taste dark tea. Dark tea is one of the 6 major types of tea in China, which belongs to post-fermentation and is also unique to China. It began production in the Ming Dynasty. For a long time, only next to the production of black tea and green tea, becoming the 3rd largest tea category in China. Dark tea is dominated by border sale tea, partly for domestic sale and a small amount for export. Export tea is also known as overseas tea. Therefore, it is used to call the compressed tea made of dark tea as border sale tea. In the past, we also called dark tea as border tea. Dark tea is so named because of its black and brown color, and it is usually made from coarse and old raw tea, which is then made through fixation and rolling, piling and drying. The compressed dark tea is a necessity for the Tibetan, Mongolian, and the Uyghur people. Let's move on to the quality characteristics of the representative famous dark tea one by one. The first one is Liupao tea. Liupao tea originated in the Liupao town, Wuzhou, Guangxi, an industry that also got its name from the place, and now it is also under the National Geographic protected symbol. We call it Guangxi Liupao tea. That is to say, in 48 administrative counties within the jurisdiction of Guangxi, we can call it Guangxi Liupao tea. It selects the fresh leaves of group species of Cangwu County, big and medium leaves of Guangxi, and their separated and selected varieties and strains of tea trees as raw materials. Dark tea is processed according to a specific technique and should have a unique quality characteristic as a result. The shape of Liupao tea is usually packaged in a traditional bamboo basket. The finished tea is firm in appearance, black and brown in color, with golden flowers. The finished loose tea is robust and features the qualities of red, heavy, stale, and mellow after brewing. The most distinctive feature is the betel nut aroma. During the Jiaqing period of the Qing dynasty, with its unique betel nut aroma, it became one of the 24 most famous teas in China. The second tea I would like to share with you is Pu'er tea from Yunnan. Yunnan Pu'er tea is also produced within the current certain jurisdiction of Yunnan. Although we call it Yunnan Pu'er tea, it did not first originate in Pu'er city. Actually, Pu'er is just the name of a distribution center. The name Pu'er comes from the fact that much of the surrounding tea is traded in Pu'er city. It is so named Pu'er tea. As we all know, Yunnan Pu'er tea is mainly divided into Pu'er raw tea and Pu'er ripe tea. Today, we mainly introduce Pu'er ripe tea to you. The appearance of Pu'er ripe tea is unique in that it has tightly knotted cords and a reddish, thick and bright soup color. Some tea colors can also be red, heavy, and bright. Well, its aroma is predominantly mellow. What makes Pu'er tea different from other teas is that it is valued for its orange color, and the more orange it is, the more flavorful it is. The infused leaf are brown, soft and bright, which is the quality characteristic of Pu'er tea. The third black tea is Tianjian dark tea from Hunan province. It has another title called Xiangjian No. 1. So for the black tea from Hunan, the way we classify it is Tianjian, Gongjian, and Xiangjian. So Xiangjian is also divided into Xiangjian No. 1, No. 2, and No. 3. Here's the Hunan Tiantian. Moreover, it has a relatively robust shape with an oily color, and the dried tea leaves a pine smoky flavor. Pine smoky flavor is Tianjian, Gongjian, and Shengjian, which is also a unique phenomenon of Hunan dark tea. It has a richer flavor And as the years go by, the color of the tea water will change from orange to red. This is the tea water color of Hunan Tianjian. The infused leaf is mainly brownish black and very bright, but its infused leaf is coarse and old, which is the organizational characteristic of Tianjin. The above-mentioned representative dark teas from 3 provinces have been briefly introduced to you. As a unique tea in China, in the centuries of drinking time, a large number of scientific practice has proved that dark tea helps digestion, regulates the stomach and intestines, decongests, removes dampness, anti-radiation, and other effects. Especially the effect of lowering the hyperglycemia, hyperlipidemia, hypertension of modern people is more obvious, which is highly concerned by the medical profession and all walks of life. That is all we want to say about how to taste dark tea today. Don't forget to practice more after class.